In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly hide your achievements from your GitHub profile. If you're looking to keep your profile page clean and focused, this is a simple change that will do just that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust your settings so that your achievements aren't displayed on your public profile. Let's get started. First off, what you want to do is head over to your GitHub dashboard. This is where you'll find all the information you need to manage your projects, repositories, and, importantly, your profile settings. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, and yes, it's as easy as it sounds. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to a number of customization options. With that click, you'll see a drop-down menu. The option you're interested in here is labeled Settings. This is where you can control all sorts of preferences associated with your GitHub account. Clicking Settings is going to bring you to a page filled with various options for tailoring your account to suit your needs. Now, once you're in the Settings page, besides, turn your attention to the left-hand side. You'll notice a menu there with different categories. What you're looking for is Public Profile. This section lets you customize what other GitHub users can see when they visit your profile. Click on Public Profile, and it will bring you into a more detailed area. Here, you'll want to scroll down a bit until you reach the section titled Profile Settings. This part of the page is all about how your profile is displayed to others. Within this section, there's an option that reads Show Achievements on my profile. By default, this box will probably be checked, which means your achievements are currently visible on your profile. To hide your achievements, simply uncheck this box. It's an easy adjustment that will ensure your public profile doesn't display those achievements any longer. Once you've unchecked that box, there's just one more crucial step. You'll see a button labeled Update Preference. Clicking this button is key because it saves the change you just made. And just like that, you're done. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully managed to streamline your profile by hiding your achievements. This process is quick and effective for managing how you present your work and accomplishments on GitHub. Remember, you can always come back and toggle the setting back on if you ever change your mind. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online profiles.